1996, and basically we just started out in the honeydew business. I'm originally from St. Louis, and born and raised here, and my background before I got into construction, I worked for Mississippi River Transmission. It was natural gas. I started out in the executive building out in Ladue and took care of 10 acres of building there, and with that came a mechanical background. So during that time, it was a great staging for me to build my career, because I use a lot of that now in my current business. And sometimes it gives me an edge on other contractors, because where they might be specialized in carpentry or specialized in something else, we do everything from start to finish, whether it's from a foundation to excavation to jacking homes to building out additions, doing add-ons to other properties. We might have an array of electrical, plumbing, and air conditioning and heating, and since I was exposed to that in the mechanical field, it gave me kind of an edge on how to oversee a job, as opposed to having to hire somebody that has all those different talents. So when we started out in the business, we just basically started out in the honeydews. But before I had got started with construction, I had done a lot of side work for people during that time, for the executives and people who I worked with for Mississippi River Transmission. Well, we decided after 15 years, I just decided I wanted to do something different, so I quit natural gas. They basically gave me a severance, and I started a newsletter and gave it out to basically the same people that I've been doing work for on the side, but it was full-time. The business took off. It started me solo, and then I hired some part-time people, and now we have 5 full-time people, and my wife and I, in conjunction with the 5, she's my partner. So basically we built the business from there. Now we're expanding it through different types of marketing. One of the things I could say that had helped us probably a great deal during that time was the Better Business Bureau. I thought back then I didn't need to have somebody to tell me that I'm doing a good job, but really that's in reverse. Joining the Better Business Bureau in places like Angie's List, when people go there, they want to know that they can find a contractor they can rely on. They're going to be honest, not necessarily the cheapest, but they want quality work. And those are the type of things that I look for when I'm looking at other people that are interested in doing things for us. I think that's an important part of the business. And our philosophy is pump to gas, wash windows. When somebody needs something, they shouldn't have to ask you to clean up. They shouldn't have to ask you if you're going to be on time. These are just things you need to do. And if you're conscientious about your business, I think it'll grow. We sow seeds, and they germinate. Sometimes we will have a customer we'll talk to, and we tell them, hey, you might not need us now, but maybe later you'll think of somebody you could refer us to. And I think through that, that's why our business has grown, and I think more people are calling us because they have a problem finding a contractor that will show up on time, and if they do, they're not going to have callbacks or problems. So I think these are the things that we give to a customer that's going to benefit them and also benefit us.